Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Digi Sketch Hub. I'm your graphic designer friend and I will always try to guide you in your designing journey, and today I am going to talk about the basic things you must know before starting your designing journey. So let's start the video without wasting time. Unleash your inner designer. A beginner's guide. Welcome to a journey into the world of design. This presentation will cover essential skills, principles, and mindsets to kickstart your design adventure. We'll explore why design matters, foundational principles, and practical tools to help you create impactful visuals. Why design matters? Impacting the world around us, design is everywhere, shaping our experiences daily. Good design simplifies, informs, and inspires. Poor design confuses and frustrates. Understanding its impact is the first step. Good design, it consists clear messaging, intuitive navigation, and aesthetic appeal, make experiences enjoyable and effective. But bad design consists lack of clarity, poor organization, and visual noise can lead to confusion and inefficiency for users. Foundational principles are clarity, balance, and visual hierarchy. Great design relies on core principles. Clarity ensures your message is understood. Balance creates visual stability. Visual hierarchy guides the eye to important elements. Clarity. Make your message easy to grasp instantly. Avoid clutter and ambiguity. Balance. Distribute visual weight evenly. This can be symmetrical or asymmetrical. Visual hierarchy organize elements to direct the viewer's attention. Emphasize key information. The mindset of a designer or empathy, observation, and iteration. Beyond tools, a designer's mindset is crucial. Empathy connects you to users, observation reveals needs. Iteration refines war solutions through empathy. Understand your audience's needs and challenges deeply. Design with them in mind. Observation. Pay attention to how people interact with designs. Learn from successes and failures. Iteration. Embrace feedback and refine your designs. Tools of the trade are essential software and resources. Modern design utilizes powerful software. These tools help bring your creative visions to life. Many online resources also support learning and inspiration. Adobe Illustrator vector graphics for logos and illustrations. Adobe Photoshop image editing and manipulation for raster graphics. Canva user-friendly for quick graphic design tasks. Figma collaborative interface design and prototyping. Currently, I am also using Canva Photopia as a free graphic design software for my work. Design thinking process from problem to solution. Design thinking is a human-centered approach. It guides you from understanding a problem to delivering an innovative solution. This iterative process ensures effective outcomes. Empathize, understand users' needs. Test, gather feedback, and refine. Define, clearly state the problem. Ideate, brainstorm solutions. And prototype, build a testable model. Avoiding common pitfalls. Mistakes to watch out for. Even experienced designers make mistakes. Over-designing can be distracting. Ignoring user feedback leads to irrelevant solutions. Inconsistent branding confuses your audience. Learn to recognize and avoid these pitfalls. Over-designing, adding too many elements or effects, leading to clutter and confusion. Ignoring users, failing to consider user needs and feedback, resulting in irrelevant designs. And inconsistent branding consists lack of uniformity in visual elements, weakening brand recognition and trust. So these are the basic things which you must know about before starting your journey in designing field. So now I am going to take leave. We'll meet soon in our next video. So be connected to our channel and please like and subscribe it or comment below if you think that it was valuable video for you and for your design journey. And thank you for watching this video and we will meet soon. But for now,